Hello, and welcome to this quick start video on the Benro X Series 3XS Stabilizer. In this series of videos, you will learn the basic principles to get your 3XS up and running. We will walk you through properly mounting and balancing your phone and using the Benro app for capturing photos, video, and using its advanced features. Balancing your 3XS is one of the most crucial parts to getting a great end result. Out of the box, your 3XS will likely be unbalanced for your smartphone. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to get your gimbal balanced and ready to shoot with. After unpacking your gimbal, the 3XS will start in the folded and locked position. Unlock the gimbal arm by pressing in the push button and lifting the arm. This also unlocks the gimbal's pan axis. Once unfolded, the other two motors need to be unlocked. Do this by gently rotating the remaining two axes in the direction indicated. You can attach a tripod to the bottom thread for more stability when balancing. The weight distribution of your phone factors heavily into the performance of the gimbal. If your phone is not properly balanced, it may inhibit the functions of your gimbal. Make sure that your phone is not in an overly large case, or it may not fit into the phone clamp. Extend the clamp by placing your phone against the upper ridge, pushing up, at the same time pulling down on the lower clamp. This will lodge your phone between the bars. Once the phone is securely in the clamp, place the gimbal on a level surface and move the phone back and forth horizontally until the phone sits level without assistance. Now you're ready to turn on the gimbal. Press the power switch up and to the left. To provide power to your phone, connect the cable from the USB-C port on the 3XS to your phone. Or, the 3XS can wirelessly charge compatible phones by activating the feature in the app. If you use the cable to charge your phone during use, you will need to adjust your phone's balance once again. Just slide it a little to the left and get it back into balance. Congratulations, your gimbal is now balanced. Don't forget to download the companion app to calibrate your gimbal, download the latest firmware, and access features that will take your video and photo skills to the next level. In the next video of this series, you'll learn these functions in depth. Boost the production value and quality of your videos, all while traveling light and compact with the Benro 3XS Stabilizer.